Hello students, welcome to our channel Learning Notebook. It is always fun to learn maths through activities. So today we have come up with an interesting and creative activity for you to understand how to find multiples of number. But before starting with this activity, let me tell you that we have many more maths art integrated activities, projects and working model on our channel Learning Notebook. You can find the list of all such videos on our website as well. The link to our website is below in the description box. For this activity, we need few colorful thick sheets, a ruler, a black marker pen, a pencil and a pair of scissors. Aim of this art integrated project is to understand what are multiples and find multiples of numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. We will also learn what is LCM and how to find LCM of 3 numbers using this interesting activity. So let's start and first understand what is multiple. The product of two or more numbers is the multiple of the numbers that are being multiplied. Let's understand this with the help of few examples. 6 into 5 equals to 30. So here the product of 6 and 5 is 30. So 30 is the multiple of 6 and it is also the multiple of 5. Another example is 2 into 4 into 5 equals to 40. So here in this example, the product of 3 numbers is 40. So 40 is the multiple of 2, 4 and 5. So students, again the product of 2 or more numbers is the multiple of the numbers that are being multiplied. Now let's understand what is LCM or least common multiple. The LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest multiple of each of the given numbers. Students, we will understand it with the help of an example. Let's find the LCM of 2 and 3. To find the LCM of 2 and 3, we will write multiples of both of them. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Now, what are the common multiples here? Common multiples are 6 and 12. So, LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6 because 6 is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. Students, we also have separate videos on complete chapter on multiples and factors for both class 4 as well as for class 5. I am sure all your doubts related to these topics would be resolved after watching these comprehensive videos. The link to these videos are below in the description box. Now we will start with our activity. In the first step, take a red chart paper and draw a grid of 10 by 10 units where each square is of 1 unit. Now students, you have to make 6 copies of such grid but with different colored sheets. Now in any of the grid sheet, write numbers from 1 to 100 as shown here. Students, to learn about fractions and then how to make a fraction robot, you can refer to our separate video. The link to this video is below in the description box. Now take another grid sheet and make holes on this sheet after leaving one square as shown here. Now take next grid sheet and this time make holes after leaving two squares as shown here. And then we will take the next grid sheet and make holes after leaving three squares. In the same way, we will take another grid sheet and make holes after leaving four squares. And then we will take one more grid sheet and make holes after leaving six squares. Students, we also have another interesting activity to learn about LCM and HCF and how to find LCM and HCF. The link to this video is below in the description box. Now let's first find multiples of 2. To find multiples of 2, let's place the green grid over the red numbered sheet. The holes will now show multiples of 2. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on till 100. Now let's find multiples of 3. To find multiples of 3, let's place the orange grid over the red numbered sheet as shown here. The holes will now show multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on till 99. Students, to understand more about multiples and factors and how to find multiples and factors, we have got another two interesting activities. The link to these videos are below in the description box. Now we will find multiples of 4. For this, let's place the purple grid over the red numbered sheet and we will find the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on till 100. In the same way, let's find multiples of 5. To find multiples of 5, we will place the blue grid over the red numbered sheet. The holes will now show multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on till 100. Next, we will find multiples of 7. For this, let's place the yellow grid over the red numbered sheet. And now you can see multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and so on till 98. Next, we will find multiples of 6. Since 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3, so let's first place green grid over this red numbered sheet to show multiples of 2. Then on this green grid, let's place orange grid to show multiples of 3. Students, you will notice that the orange sheet has covered the multiples which are not the multiples of both 2 and 3. So in this way, we are left with only multiples of 6, which are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on till 96. Now we will find multiples of 12. Now here, since 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4, so let's first place orange grid over this red numbered sheet to show multiples of 3. Then on this orange grid, we will place purple grid and we will get multiples of 4. But students, here you will notice that the purple grid will hide the multiples which are not the multiples of both 3 and 4. So in this way, we can now only see multiples of 12, which are 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on till 96. Now we will find multiples of 14. Now, since 14 is a multiple of 2 and 7, so we will first place green grid and then yellow grid to get multiples of 14, which are 14, 28, 42, 56 and so on till 98. Now we will learn how to find LCM with the help of this activity. So let's first find LCM of 2, 3 and 5. For this, we will first place the green grid over this red numbered sheet and we will get multiples of 2. Now, let's place orange sheet over this green sheet and we will get common multiples of both 2 and 3. Now students, place the blue sheet over this orange sheet to get common multiples of 2, 3 and 5, which are 30, 60 and 90. And the least common multiple among them is 30. So LCM of 2, 3 and 5 is 30. Now let's see how to find LCM of 2, 5 and 7. For this, let's place the green colored sheet over the red numbered sheet and we will get multiples of 2. Then we will place blue sheet over this green sheet and we will get common multiples of 2 and 5. Now students, let's place yellow sheet over this blue sheet and we will get common multiples of 2, 5 and 7. It is showing only one common multiple which is 70 and which is also the least common multiple. So LCM of 2, 5 and 7 is 70. Now we will find LCM of 12 and 5. Students, 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4. So let's first place orange grid and then purple grid to get multiples of 12. And now we will place blue sheet and we will get common multiple of 12 and 5, which is 60. And therefore 60 is the LCM of 12 and 5. Students, now I am sure you know the concept of multiples and LCM and how to find them. Please share my videos and my channel further. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.